Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil and today's video is on the whole crop. As you can see, the pit is now full, but my brother did pretty much all the video and I did a bit. So this is just to start it off, so you know what's happening. That's what you'll see. Also, this video is sponsored by Harry's. They're a razor manufacturer. There'll be a bit more about them about 5 minutes into the video around that. Learn a bit more. I feel like a proper mainstream YouTuber now, getting that kind of a sponsorship. It's quite big and quite exciting, so it is. But anyways, we'll talk a bit more about that later on. We'll get into the rest of the video.
Hello everybody, my name is Brother Phil and today I will be with my dad cutting whole crop. I will be the one that's filming this video mostly.
Come on, I'm not getting by you there.
Mostly because brother is doing something else. And there's a car on the way. So Dad, you hoping you don't get stuck today?
I will kiss them. I will kiss them.
You sure? Oh, that make great views though. There they are, that's the second load. I wasn't able to catch the first, but you would have seen that in the drone footage.
Yes.
See, there's the whole crop. Well, you probably can't see it.
And what is it?
What?
What is it?
Whole crop.
Yeah, what is this a field of?
Whole crop.
Is it wheat, barley or oats?
Barley.
No, this is barley. What's that?
I don't know what that is.
What does it look like?
Wheat.
Oats.
I don't know. And if you couldn't tell, I am with Liv. Yay.
So it's that time of the year again, harvest is upon us, and this sow yoke here, Jessica's hard itchy and out of dust and the chaff doing the job, and it's time to be getting rid of it. And Well, the amount of times I've bought razors in a shop has been few to nearly non-existent, but the problem with razors is, I'm out of razors, could you get me some? Yeah, I'll get you some. Arrive, and then when you need to shave, then you don't have them. So, Harry's story. The creators of Harry's, Jeff and Andy, having similar problems to myself, tired of paying lots of money and in the hassle of supermarkets and all that whole crack. They raised money and they bought their own factory and started making the razors. Now they help millions shave each day in a premium, hassle-free way, and also 1% of all their global sales goes towards mental health charities, which in the farming sector we all know and we might like to talk about it, it is an important thing. So what's to love about Harry's? Quite a lot actually. The price is great. The blades, as you can see, a 5-blade razor. It is the most comfortable shave I've ever had, and it's the quickest shave I've ever had. Literally one run, I got all the hair. It wasn't like this old crack with other razors where you'd be pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling and you'd be going nowhere. They guarantee a close and comfortable shave. The product is simple. The head easily comes off. So when you want to change upon a different head, it has exceeded my expectations. There's no two ways about it. It has definitely exceeded my expectations. The speed and the comfort of that shave, the best I've ever had. Product is simple, looks good, very easy to use. The unbox trial set that was sent out, the Harry sent, includes the weighted handle with the rubber grip, 5-blade razor cartridge, shave gel, a travel cover for on the go. Honestly, the deal Harry's has going on their trial set for the low price of £3.95 is amazing. And not only will you be getting yourself a savage razor, the best shave I've ever had, you will also be helping out the channel in the process. You can start your subscription harrys.com/farmerphil. There's also a link in the description down below if you want to click on that and just go straight through. And you'll also be getting the free shower gel with your trial set. So big thanks to Harry's for sponsoring the video. Feel like a mainstream YouTuber now, and we'll get back into getting the rest of the whole crop in the pit.
This is the whole crop. I don't know what I'm talking about, so I'm not going to say much about it. That's basically it. Looks like a golden field. And there's them over there. Yeah, pretty much it. How good is the field?
Conditions are very good considering the weather.
Yay.
This wouldn't be a very dry field.
Normally or just
Normally it wouldn't be a very dry field, but the conditions are very good. Crop is excellent, couldn't ask for better. A little bit lodged here and there from last Thursday's rain, but you couldn't expect much else because it's a very heavy crop. It was sown for whole cropping and that's what had done its job. Perfect.
How long do you think this would take?
I'm halfway now. I'm more than halfway and that's 7 load fill.
That's a 7.
That's the 7th load of it now.
So what, this is like what, 2-3 hours?
Hour and a half, 2 hours.
To do this and that one?
No, that one take about 5 hours. I have the last of that one over here tonight in the dark. Very lucky. Very lucky.
Yay. We have detected a problem. Dad doesn't know what's causing it, but the metal sensors, I assume, went off. What was the problem? Bit of wire.
That's the best of the wire when you're picking stones. Super.
What about the ground conditions?
Ground conditions are a little bit challenging, but okay.
Meaning someone's gonna get stuck.
Possibly.
Yay. Hello again. As you can see over there, the sun is starting to set, so this is going to go into the night. We are just after back from our tea, and there's still all over there, and down there as well. This is gonna take a while, to say the least anyway. It's another log going. Yay.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say
happened last night. That's why they stopped last night, because he got stuck. And the mule has been sent up to pull him out. They're just going to get a chain, and I have a 4-wheel drive shaft for the harvester. He didn't put it on it, which I thought he would have, but he didn't. But I'm going to put it on now, and I don't have a jumper, and it's raining. So yeah, fun times. Fun times. Anyways, so to get the 4-wheel drive shaft on, we have to go digging. Not a great job. And I can see by the tracks and a trailer abandoned. They tried pulling it out last night to 6290, but that didn't work. Why use the 3690? Because it'd be heavier. And in the laws of pulling shit out that's stuck, you need to be as heavy or heavier than what you're pulling. Even though I don't think 3690 will be, but we might put a double set of chains or something. Yeah, look at this, look at this. Look, the ground 100% solid here, solid. Ground is solid. And he's bogged her to its bollocks. Anyways, I have a funny feeling some of this might be left for the combine. For whatever reason, the combine's going to do a better job. I don't know. Anyways, let's start digging, because this has to go from there to there, and I gotta get in underneath it.
Back this way. Reverse. That'll do you now. Whoa, whoa. Now. Pick up the slack. Right. Keep going now, the two of you. Keep going. Speed up, Derek, speed up, speed up. Whoa! Here we are.
Took the two donkeys, the 7718S and the 3690 to pull out the Jag. So anyways, that's done now. We'll put back on the trailer. We'll put the 4-wheel drive shaft on that now. Fill it load, bring it home, and then I'll go back more. So what we're cutting here at the minute is oats. There's actually a bit of barley just there in this run. But anyways, we're just coming up. This bottom corner is wet. We're doing the open and split, so I wouldn't be surprised now if we got stuck again. It wouldn't surprise me in the slightest. So that's why the camera's rolling. We'll fill the front of the trailer first to put all the weight on the back of the tractor, so we have good traction. Normally we fill the back of the trailer first so we can see what we're doing, but when you're in wet ground you fill the front first, so that you have good traction. You have the weight is in the back of the tractor, gives you all the power you need. So we've actually just got through the wet spot there, no bother. So try not to get caught in the harvester. So we're out the woods now. So we are, or I'd like to think we are anyways. driver came, so we swapped back. He had the cane from yesterday, so we'll give it back to him. I'm back on the trainer, 3690, looking beautiful as always. But just something just on the crop, because I know my brother wouldn't have said it, and this will probably be the first and last load I get to draw a whole crop of this year. But as you can see, that's the height we're cutting it at. We could cut it lower, like there is, what is there? There's a good near 6-8 inches of stalk there. The reason we're doing that is because your feed value is from there down. It's the grain, that's your feed value. It might be some in the flag leaf, but then the rest, the stalk, the stem, whatever you want to call it, there's literally no feed value in that. That's just bulk. That literally just bulks up the pit. That's why we're keeping it up pretty high. We're leaving quite a bit, a big stubble on it. One of the advantages of leaving that big stubble is there's going to be a nice bit of green manure to go into the ground. Where we're at the minute is the field we reclaimed. There's the piles of stuff over there. The high did the 2 days or 3 days, however long I was plowing it in. But yeah, that's it. So there's a nice big thick, nice, it's a great thick crop. Bro's already said all that. But yeah, that's why we're leaving the high stubble, because we're only after what's the feeding value in the crop. We're not after the whole crop.
Hello again. Regrettable to say we will not be able to get any drone footage in here because I have just arrived and it has started to rain. Yay! Well, time is a bitch, but what can you do? This is the field they currently are at. I have no idea what it's called. I'm not even going to try. Right, so now that we're in the new field, if you can see,
we're in another place.
We're in another place, in another field. How are the crops this time?
This is a very good crop. Very good crop. It's nice and thick, short, clean. Ground conditions are brilliant. Everything's good. We got stuck last night. That's what you get for working in the dark.
To be fair, I wasn't there to film it. I'm pretty sure I left.
You left, we got stuck.
Really?
Really, yeah. We were gone about half an hour when we got stuck.
God damn it.
But we were nearly finished, and I knew it was a soft spot, but it...
you just went, screw it. If we get stuck, we get stuck.
I said we'd just go for it, and we just did, and we got down, and we got stuck. And we got out again, and it wasn't a big problem, so...
I heard it took 2 tractors to pull you out, though.
Yeah, well, you have to match the tonnage.
Oh yeah, this thing weighs a lot.
This thing is about 12, 14 ton, so we had to put 2 tractors to it to get the tonnage right, to pull it out.
Mm.
You can't expect 7 ton to pull 14.
No, but still.
You need to put 14 ton pull on 14, then you pull it out.
So, not any other hiccups happening in this field, other fields?
No, just a busy day. A good bit of bailing on today, and just the usual day in middle of August.
Yay.
Yeah.
And there's a new tractor coming in.
So that is it for today's video. Back on top of the pit, a whole crop finished. So just I suppose one thing I will say, I know some of you say, why don't we put a wall down the middle of the pit? It's kind of just our habit, we don't do it. There is part of our long-term building strategies for another pit, so that this will be like a silage, we'll have another larger pit then, but that could, God only knows when that will happen, but we have a building strategy, so we won't be wasting our time putting in a wall when we want to put in another pit. But anyways, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video, hope you enjoyed what my brother did and right in the middle, and big thanks to Harry's for sponsoring today's video. Check out all their links in the description down below. Well worth checking out, even though I haven't shaved at the minute because I'm doing everything arseways, but that's nothing new, never is with me. Anyways, that's really all I can say. Oh yeah, the whole crop, we did it differently than we were intending. We were intending on cutting all our faraway crops for whole crop, but in the end we didn't. We cut our wet ground and kill a shade. I was saying earlier we'd go with the jewels with the combine, it was kind of to avoid that. We did it that way, and that's why we cut it. It meant there was a quicker draw, that we actually got the whole crop cut a lot quicker, I'd say a day earlier than if we had to go with the long away draw. That, and one of the crops we were hoping the whole crop had gone too ripe. Crops can go too ripe for whole cropping, and that crop had gone too ripe, so we'll combine it. It's actually, as it stands, it's sprayed off. 2 weeks time we'll be combining. Well, 10 days and we can start, but 2 weeks is kind of the optimal period time for combining, provided the weather is right. Anyways, I think that is all my bases covered, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to check out them links in the description down below. Videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. That is it from me. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Next video will be on putting the grass in on top of the whole lot, and it'll be a big pit. I haven't the mowing finished, but the crops are very heavy. It'll be a big pit. Good luck.